So today we're making mother-in-law, and this is 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 Scotch bonnet peppers, 2 pieces of beignet, a quarter onion, 1 coraili or bitter melon, 1 little piece of green mango about this size, a carrot, and a parsnip. Use half the carrot and half the parsnip. Okay, so this is how we're cutting the bitter melon. We do this, and we do that at the ends, down the middle. Okay, and then we scoop this part out. So we washed it. Okay, so we're gonna cut it like an inch apart. Add 2 peppers. We have 3 cloves of garlic in here, a quarter of an onion, beignet. Alright, so this is what it looks like when it's chopped up. So now we're going to grind up the bitter melon. What it looks like. I grind up the mango. So we're gonna add the parsnips and carrots. So it looks like. So we're gonna add the lemon juice and the vinegar. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna mix it up. Tastes fresh and crazy spicy.